Namaste, my name is Hetendra Singh. I am founder of Segritech. So why I am doing Segritech is because I was doing a different startup in Agritech itself before Segritech. So that was Tickly.com. So Tickly.com was supply chain platform for fruits and vegetables to the Horeca sector, where we were taking fruits and vegetables from farmers and connecting them to Horeca sector. After COVID hit, we had to shut down this business, and then we launched Segritech after observing a lot of inefficiencies in Agritech supply chain. So Segritech is nothing but AI-enabled smart sorting machine for fruits and vegetables. So it is an affordable and compact machine which you can take from one place to other for sorting and grading services of your fruits and vegetables. Why this is used in the market? Because before packaging and after harvesting, there is a processing called grading and sorting, so that you grade different varieties of fruits and vegetables in different boxes. So right now, this is being done manually, and we are automating this whole process across India. There are a lot of challenges and scope to work in Agritech space. So you see, we are only targeting the post-harvest scenario of the Agritech. Right now, there are a lot of processing happening in the different agriculture crops. Like we are targeting pomegranate, oranges, guava, apple, potato, onion, tomato, and lemons. Right? There are different crops like in grains, cereals, pulses. So you can just go into one crop and see what are the inefficiencies in the manual processing and in the different handling of agriculture produce. You will see a lot of options and scope to work on. So we traveled across states and we found out these inefficiencies in the listed fruits and vegetables, and we started working upon them. So we are building an AI platform which takes a huge amount of data of your images of fruits and vegetables, where we process them and giving them reports on the basis of their quality. Quality in such as size, shape, quality defects like skin defects and different diseases in the fruit, right? So we just take their visual images and giving them reports on an instant basis. So those kind of digitalization can be done in the whole supply chain, which will help the buyers as well as farmers to connect better, so that more exports also can be done in the whole space. So there are a lot of Agritech startups right now. So if I talk about in my segment only, there are around 4 to 5 players that we are competing with. So we are 10x better, 10x efficient, 10x affordable than other players in the market. They are mostly reliable on the manual labor force for these kind of processing thing. When I went there and met them in person, all of them are very happy, like they have got any angel or any god for saving them. So they have to spend a lot of operational cost on these kind of processing, which we will reduce by our machine. So we are targeting first India, and later we will be targeting other developing countries like Indonesia and South Asian countries, Philippines and Thailand, and then moving to African countries, like developing countries in African region. And so in India itself, we have a strong network of traders and farmers already, starting from Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh. We will be expanding on other crops also. After pomegranate, we will be doing apples, oranges, guava. $12 billion of losses are happening in the fruits and vegetable wastage only. It contributes to the carbon emission also from the country at a huge scale. Now doing segregation by Segritech's machine, you can track the wastage in fruits and vegetables and also work upon them and sell them to the right buyers at the right time. I want to give advice for fellow entrepreneurs to come into Agritech and contribute to the Indian society of farmers and also agriculture stakeholders. There are a lot of options in processing as well as pre-harvest processings and farming automation in agriculture. I think in hydroponics there is a great market. I think in supply chain itself there is a huge market. Other than fruits and vegetables also, you can automate a lot of things and make a good business out of it. There is a huge impact by Lab 32 program. When I joined, I was lacking the GTM strategy overall, but after completing the whole course of Lab 32, I had a good plan how to go into the market, how to talk to customers. The perception overall got changed a lot. So T-Hub mentors and Lab 32 mentors have helped me a lot to understand and look at the right way to the market so that we can make good strategy for our GTM. I would like to invite startups to join T-Hub and subscribe to some of the program at T-Hub so that they will get another perception, other way to look at things and to go into the market, as well as there is a great community in different T-Hub programs that you can join, and it will definitely help to network a lot.